Hey, what's up, guys? Okay, so this video is about me demoing and using the Friends Funnel Chrome extension. So you can see here on top, Friends Funnel. Prior to this, you have to log in, but after you get your login, you're going to see this message page. This is an extension that will help you send that first message after you recently add your friends, right? So have you ever had like a lot of people just adding you, and then like it's really cumbersome and tiring to really like add and then like message them and all that, right? Some people don't even message you, um, but this way you can automatically do it and save some time, and you can even put in whatever you want to say. So here's how it works. Messages, you got to create your message, right? Type in whatever you want. uh, you can create two messages, so it's going to alternate messages. You can see here mine, thanks for a friend's request, how are you doing, or thanks for a friend request, what you've been up to these days. To really start the conversation, you're not going to put any sales pitch into it, because that's just very slimy, salesy, and all that. Just really want to connect with people, right? It's all about build rapport. Then click save message. It's going to be successful. Then you're going to add friends. So one of the key things with organic strategy, if you're familiar with that on Facebook, is when you add a friend, you can actually segment them, or even uh, put them in a list, basically. That's what it means. And you can create these lists, because then you can create a list like with all the network marketers, all the affiliate marketers, all the software people, or all the coaches and all that. Because that way, when you do post something on your timeline or on your post or your wall, you can really talk directly to those people. You can create a post and it will say coaches and all these keywords that will really help resonate with them, so they can connect with you. And you can just show that post just to that certain list of people. So if I want to, let's say, target coaches, I'm going to say, hey, coaches, you do this and that and all that. Um, and, have you ever got the same feeling as a coach? Saying all these words and creating the right message will help really draw in the right people. Now, if you don't have all coaches on your friends list, this becomes a problem, because, with organic strategies, right, the way that Facebook works, it's going to show your post to everybody. And if it doesn't pertain, right, doesn't relate to non-coaches, then they're not going to engage in your post. And then Facebook is going to assume that your post is not worthy enough to show more people. But if you show it to a certain list, coaches, everyone's a coach there, they can all relate. They're going to engage in that post. And when they engage into the post, with more engagement, the more visibility you have. Facebook is going to show your post to more people. So that's another great thing. Um, Going back to Friends Funnel, when you have a new friends request, right, and when you accept them, you don't have to manually choose which list you want to put them in. With Friends Funnel, it'll automatically do that for you. So let's say I'm going to put them on to an online business owner. Okay, I'm going to save changes. Okay, and next thing I'm going to do is, actually, even before this, I forgot, you actually have to go and change your Facebook page into MBasic. So take out the www and replace it with mbasic.facebook.com. It's going to bring it into this basic version of Facebook. From here, this is how Friends Funnel will work. Okay, if you don't do this, it's not going to work. Anyways, so, oh, and by the way, you have to go into your friends and accept those friends from here. Okay, so it's not going to work if you accept the friends from your regular Facebook page, like from here. You can see this is the regular Facebook page, and from here you just click confirm, confirm, confirm. It doesn't work that way. You have to change it to MBasic Facebook. Okay, and from here go to friends list, and then just confirm, 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 confirm. And notice how I am not thinking about putting them on a list yet, because it's going to automatically do that when I run software. Oosh. Let's see. Okay, that's it for now. This is just a demo. Click here, add friends here. I've already saved the changes there. And the interval, 1 minute to all the way to 15 minutes. Let's just do 1 minute. We're going to initiate. And the reason for a different duration, different duration is to really help create a behavior that's not like a bot-like behavior. So Facebook doesn't detect it as, oh, it's a robot doing this. So you can see Friends Funnel, it's doing its stuff. It's looking through it. And this is the first person. Okay. And it does take minutes. And basically, it's going to send the message. But basically, it's on autopilot. And you can even click on your other links and do your other things too while it's doing this. You can see that it's moving because it's loading and changing pages here in this tab. Yeah. So you can do all your other things while it's doing this. But that's about it. So just to recap, Friends Funnel is to send that first message to the people that you've accepted on that mbasic.facebook.com page, right? Make sure to change that. But it'll also segment them and place them into a list that you have for future, purposes. Okay, and that's it for Friends Funnel. If you have any interest in getting this, reach out to me. You can email me at derek@befriendgroupmates.com, or you can find me on Facebook, facebook.com/realderekchun. Thanks. Bye.